Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. So today, I have an unboxing to do. I believe it's... Just keep slipping. I believe it's the artwork I bought from our room. One way to vastly improve the look of your room is to add artwork. And I bought this, I think like a week ago. And let's get into the unboxing. Thank you, Displate, for sponsoring this video. So it comes in this really cool, like, carrying case thing. Oh man, that's fire. Whoever designed this, man, it's crazy. Alright, so okay, so immediately first you get this is a collector's item. It shows you the different artists who made these, your stickers. Get to the artwork. First, so since I'm doing a like white, black, gold theme to my room, I felt like the artwork that I should get should have gold in it and black and, you know, good accent pieces to it. So here's the first piece. It's fire, right? So I got this. It's an African woman. For you guys that don't know, yes, I'm Nigerian. If you couldn't tell by my extremely exotic name, Oba Obasi, yes, I'm Nigerian. So I got this piece because it's just so model-esque. It's just inspirational. When you look at it, it's like an African goddess. She's not impressed. She's so unimpressed with what you're doing that she's just like staring into your soul. It's just fire. So yeah. On the back, you get an assembly guide and you get cleaning wipes. So that's the first piece. Second, another one. So here's another one. Black and gold are the highlight accents of this piece. It's another African goddess, and it just gives me like Michael Jackson Remember the Time vibes. Remember, I think it was Iman, right? She's so fire. Iman, who was a supermodel, for you guys that don't know. She was in that video, and this just gives me Iman Remember the Time vibes. Like, it's so fire. So yeah, this is the second piece, and it also comes with, you know, the assembly guide and wipes. Lastly, Oh man. Oh. Lastly. Ooh. Oh man. Just look at Shawty. Just look at Shawty. Just fire. Just fire. I, the cow skin, the leather texture, the move, the sun in the background. Just vibes. It's just vibes. Oh my gosh. It gives me like Yeezy vibes. Feel me? Fire. Fire. So, now that we've unboxed it, I will assemble it and hang it up and show you guys how it looks afterwards. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off by measuring my area. You want to measure how far the wall is so that you can get an even distribution of the artwork, and you can get an idea of where exactly you want your art to be. So since I really care about aesthetic, I always just put it in the center. So I centered it. I measured it out. It was 9 feet wide, so I put it in the middle. So 4 feet 6 inches is where I placed my first piece of artwork, and then I measured it out 3 inches between the rest of them. So that's how I measured mine. You can follow that strategy if you want to, but that's how I did mine. So once I found the center, I marked it, and that's where I will be placing the first sticky note, which comes with the Displate setup piece. Also, as a pro tip, guys, you want to look and make sure that that's where you want your art to go. You want to just find where exactly you want it to look, how exactly you want it to look, and if that's the best position for it to be. But since the Displate, it comes with a magnetic back, you can recenter the photo anytime you want to. You could change the way it looks anytime you want to. If you want it to hang higher or lower, you can easily adjust it with the Displate piece. So guys, here are the things that come with your Displate photo. So first you have the setup guide, and it just gives you a detailed view of what exactly you're supposed to do. First you clean the wall if you need to, then you stick the leaf, then you stick the magnet onto the leaf, and then you hang up your photo. It's that simple. So here's the sticky leaf. Here is the cleaning tool. Here is the magnet that you stick onto the leaf. And then obviously the photos are in the background. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be sticking on the sticky leaf. So as you saw before, I marked the area where exactly I want my picture to go, my art piece to go. So all I did was mark the wall, and then I put the sticky leaf in the middle. I put the mark in the middle of the sticky leaf, and that's exactly where I put it. And then you just press down and you just make sure that it's on there firmly, and then that's all you need. And then after that, you get the magnet and you use the magnet to stick exactly onto the leaf. The leaf also has outline guides to where exactly you need to place the magnet, and it just breaks it down really simply. So you just place the magnet right on that square, and then you hold it down for 5 seconds. Just make sure it's on there firmly, and that's it, guys. That's literally it. And after that's done, you grab your art piece and you just place it and adjust it accordingly to how you want it to look. You know, when it's a little bit crooked, just adjust it a little bit. And I really love this product because you don't have to put like nails in the wall, and you don't have that problem of having to adjust the picture and you can't get it exactly how you want it to, because you know it's only a nail or a two in the wall and you can't get that angle. But this makes it so much easier to just put up a piece of art and just have it there. And I really love this product. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Alright, YouTube, here's the finished look. It looks absolutely amazing. How rich the colors are. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I made up my bed so it looked better, but it is really gonna stand out once I have everything else in my room exactly how I want it. But it looks amazing. All right, guys. So there's the finished look. It looks amazing. I'm really glad. I'm really happy with how it came out. Once again, I want to thank Displate for sponsoring this video and sending me over the products. They just look great. And they have a wide range of different artworks and different pieces. So there's anything that you want there for the Avengers fan, for the comic book fan, for the movie fan. They have a lot of different pieces from a lot of different styles. They have just musicians, they have the Beatles, they have rappers, they have just so many different, a wide array of different pieces to choose from. I picked these because they go with the style of my room and how my slowly coming together piece by piece. And I thank you guys for coming on this journey with me and watching every episode. It means so much, and liking and commenting, it means so much to me. So I just want to thank you guys, and for subscribing. It means a lot, even though, you know, it's nothing to you guys. You just click a button, but it means a lot to me that you guys subscribe and watch my videos. And I just want to thank you so much. So, yeah. Until next time, America. My name is Obo Abasi. God bless you all. Shalom.